If you have ever heard this sound before, then most probably you already know this guy. Son Goku. You have probably heard the stories of many great fighters, but this story is a little different. Some warriors are born, but some are made through sheer dedication, patience, and hard work. And once in 1,000 years, a fighter emerges who becomes a challenge not just for his enemies, but for the gods themselves. A fighter, or perhaps something more, who trusted his efforts more than his faith. Someone who rewrote history and redefined the meaning of power. But the question still remains same. Who is Goku really? A hero, a maniac, or just someone who's little too obsessed with fighting? So in today's video, we deep dive into the story of a man who became more than just a fighter. He became a phenomenon. The enigma known as Goku. Every great warrior story begins with a tragedy. Planet Vegeta, a war-torn world ravaged by conflicts, was home to a new Saiyan named Kakarot. The Saiyans had one purpose: conquer new planets and bring them under their control. Feared across the universe for their raw strength and deadly combat skills, they were known as the most dangerous warrior in existence. But Faith had something else in store. At a very young age, Kakarot was sent to Earth, where he was found by an old man named Grandpa Gohan. Grandpa Gohan saw something different in this mysterious child. A power that could either save the world or it can destroy. Though still just a kid, Goku possessed strength far beyond his age, and he looked for the solution to every problem with just one thing: his feast. But everything changed because of a small accident, a head injury that erased his Saiyan instinct, and for the very first time awakened something new within him: his kindness.
Yeah, I could really use some food right about now.
Under the guidance of Master Roshi, Goku began refining his skills. But this training was not ordinary.
With the water!
All the greatest fighters in the world will be there.
Sometimes they had to swim faster than sharks, and sometimes plow fields by their hands. In one of the most iconic training sessions, Roshi made both Goku and Krillin run while wearing heavy turtle shells on their backs, a technique that's still referenced today as a form of weight training in many martial arts schools. The training was strange, no doubt, but it was this crazy routine that pushed Goku's speed and strength to unbelievable levels. As Goku grew older, so did his ambitions. From winning the World Martial Arts Tournament,
World Martial Arts Tournament is Goku!
facing some of the greatest threats the earth had ever seen, he taught the world one simple lesson: limitations are meant to be broken.
Try that once and look what happened!
Goku, you're crazy!
For years, Goku had no idea who he truly was, but Faith never let go that easily. One day, a mysterious warrior named Raditz arrived on Earth and revealed something that changed everything. He was Goku's brother.
I'm Raditz, your big brother.
Goku always believed he was an Earthling, but in truth, he was a Saiyan. part of a warrior race known for their destructive power and thirst for combat. There's something unique in the Saiyan's DNA. After every defeat, they come back stronger. This trait is called the Zenkai boost, and it became Goku's deadliest evolutionary weapon. The battle between Raditz and Goku was intense. Massive power gap stood between them. Watching Raditz overpower him, Goku could clearly see Earth's end.
So, I will give you a death that is also worthy of a Saiyan.
To protect his friends and his planet, Goku made the ultimate sacrifice, giving up his own life. And with that, the universe lost one of its greatest warriors. But death, for Goku, it was just a short break. In the afterlife, he trained harder than ever, turning even stronger than before. Every fight, every day was just another challenge for Goku. During this time, he mastered techniques like Kaioken and instant transmission.
3, 2, 1.
These didn't just enhance his speed and power, they made his fighting style so unpredictable, so it became nearly unbeatable. After Raditz, Goku went on to face unimaginable threats like Frieza, Cell, and Majin Buu. But the real twist came when he faced something far greater. The God of Destruction from Universe 7. Beerus. His patience was thin and his mood a threat to the entire universe. After dreaming of a legendary warrior called the Super Saiyan God, Beerus began searching for this being, and that path led him to Goku. In the Battle of Gods, Goku chose to rise the occasion. He performed a sacred Saiyan ritual where 5 Saiyans lent their energy to a pure-hearted Saiyan, and Goku unlocked the Super Saiyan God form. For the very first time, Goku clashed with a divine being, and that battle sent a clear message across the multiverse. Even mortals can challenge gods. But that fight was more than just a battle. It was an awakening. Goku didn't just gain power, he tasted godhood. Every warrior has a moment when they rise beyond their limits. For Goku, that moment came in the Tournament of Power. When all seemed lost, he awakened Ultra Instinct. This wasn't a typical transformation. Neither it was driven by rage or fury. Ultra Instinct is a state where the body moves on its own and the mind remains calm.
And Jiren fends him off. Goku
Ultra Instinct was believed to be a technique only the gods of destruction could access. Even Whis admitted that Beerus hadn't fully mastered it.
Autonomous Ultra Instinct.
But Goku, a mortal with no divine lineage, mastered it through nothing but hard work and willpower. The first time Goku activated Ultra Instinct, the gravity around him collapsed for a moment. And even Jiren, A warrior who could bend dimensions with sheer will showed fear for the first time.
Just why are you here?
Whether it's battle or transformations, Goku always surprises the world with something new. He has become more than a fighter. He is a symbol of perseverance, of never giving up. He has inspired generations, young and old alike, and even today, his influence is felt across the globe. Love him or fear him, one thing is certain: Goku is not just a fighter. He is part of a legacy that will live on forever. He showed the world that true strength doesn't come from muscles alone, but from the desire to protect your friends and stay true to your values.
One way to save the Earth now.
What are you talking about?
No, don't. I think I know what you have planned, Goku. You don't have to do this!
Hey, you put up a good fight, Gohan. I'm proud of you.
What?
Goodbye, my son.